Unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now this is the retail version, S23 Ultra right there on the box. And that says Samsung right there. And now they put the picture of the device right on the box. Decided to go ahead with the green colorway. I think that looks pretty cool. It was going to be this or the black. Decided to go with the green. I thought it looked pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna flip the box over. As you can see, package contains. So take a look at that. No more charging bricks nowadays. So yeah. Go ahead and take my blade and we'll have a look. As you can see, this is sealed. Now again, this is the retail version, not a review unit or, you know, pre-production or prototype or anything like that. So yeah, open this up. As you can see, now this is kind of cool right here with this cover. Fits exactly over the camera lens. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this off and oh, now here's the phone. Now in person, depending on the angle, like it kind of looks silver depending on how the light hits it. But then on certain angles, I can definitely see the green hue. It's a pretty cool color. It's not an in-your-face green. Yeah, that's nice, man. Yeah, I'm very happy I went with this colorway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone on the side for now, and you get nothing else in the box. Now I think if you flip the lid over, Samsung likes to hide their stuff, their documentation. So make sure you look underneath the lid. Quick start guide and terms and conditions. We all know what that says. And you do get a USB-C to C charging cable, just no more bricks. And this is your SIM ejection tool. We all know what that is. Put everything to the side for now. And this is the phone. Very nice. Oh, and what is this? Some instructions here. No SIM ejection tool. SIM ejection tool, and that's a picture of the SIM. That's the slot for it right there. Interesting. Okay. Very satisfying when I do that on a new phone. Anyway, here it is. Now I'd have to say, looking at some pictures and some early videos from, you know, other YouTubers out there, etc., they were talking about how the sides now are a little bit more flat. I'm gonna go ahead and compare it to last year's S22. And this is the S23 right here on the top. S22 Ultra here on the bottom. So have a quick look at that. And holding it in the hand. Okay, I'm gonna hold this one. Oh yeah, definitely much more comfortable to hold with the sides being a little bit more flat. Gives you more surface area to kind of hold the phone like this. Oh yeah, much more comfortable. Well, I don't know about much more, but definitely more comfortable for sure. Oh yeah, compare that to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which has completely flat sides. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now it's interesting, the feel in the hand, since this has a curve, albeit not as prominent as last year's phone, it actually gives it, like it's not, the edges don't feel as sharp. So it actually feels very comfortable to hold compared to the 14, which you can feel the sharp sides. It's kind of sharp in your hand. Not sharp, but you know what I'm saying. So, I mean, yeah, just a difference there in terms of the in-hand feel. Anyway, we'll go ahead and put that to the side. Let's go ahead and turn this phone on and see what we are dealing with. That's power, right? Yep, there you go. Samsung. Now, I believe this is a 6.8-inch display. Gets up to 1200 nits, I think it was. 120 hertz, 1440p. Got your hole punch camera on top. On the bottom here, you have your S Pen, of course. I'm gonna pull this out, kind of what she said. And see, all S Pens are black now. It'd be cool if they actually color match this to the phone, but not that big of a deal. Speaker port, USB Type-C, mic, another mic, the aforementioned SIM tray. On the side here, I think there's a 5G band thing right here. Power button, slash.
Turn on accessibility mode. Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Yes, ma'am. Volume rocker, antenna band on top, another mic on this side of the phone is completely clean. On the back, of course, we have the 3 cameras on the back. 200 megapixel camera now. You can also take 50 megapixel shots. Have a look at that right there. And then compared to last year's phone, the S22 Ultra, get rid of that pet hair. Very similar design. And let's see. Yeah, the camera modules are definitely a little bit bigger. Like the rings are a little bit more prominent on the S23 Ultra. A little bit thicker. Thick. Kind of what she said. But overall, a very similar design. We'll put that to the side. All right, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and just, we'll kind of zoom through setup real quick. So what do I have to do here? For your review, do I have to agree to all or can I skip one? Okay. Let's see, what if I do this? Nope, nope. Let's see, any combination, what's the minimum I gotta do? Looks like that's the minimum I gotta do. We'll go ahead and hit agree. And then set up using another device. Let's see, no, I wanna clean install on this. Let's see, the Wi-Fi, sure. I'll go ahead and do that. Gonna enter my password. All right, got that entered. Let's see, searching for eSIMs. Now this is unlocked version. It's not connected to any carrier here. Let's see, I'm gonna skip all that. Skip adding SIM, skip. Let's see, getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Now I have to say, yeah, the flatter sides, I'd have to say, man, like, yeah, definitely more, yeah, it's more comfortable to hold, for sure. Copy apps and data, don't copy. Again, I want a clean installation. All right, checking info, compare it again. The in-hand feel, very comfortable to hold. I'm gonna skip this, skip this Google stuff. I'm just gonna get into the phone real quick. And then let's see, none on the diagnostics. And let's see, protect your phone, fingerprints. Now let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint reader. Now I'll be honest, I daily drive the Note 20 Ultra still a few years later. Get rid of that pet hair. And if I'm being honest with you, the fingerprint scanner, it's really not a good fit for me. I don't know if it's the scanner. I don't know if it's my thumb, but I don't know what it is. I can never get it to work. So let's test it out here on the S23 Ultra, however. Let's see, pattern. We'll go ahead and do one of these. All right, here we go. Register, and let's do it. Right on camera, no edits. See how fast we can do this. No cuts. We're gonna do it live. So you can see the fingerprint scanner is moving around a little bit. Like on the display. I think that's by design. Giving you a little bit of a bigger area. Kind of give you more margin for error, if that makes sense. Let's see. Next. Getting your phone ready. So okay, so you can see that wasn't too bad. Find your lost phone, even if, okay, I missed that. Sync your apps and settings, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm gonna skip this, okay? Skip out on all this, Samsung Wallet, Cloud, blah, blah, blah. Now for purposes of this video, I'm just gonna skip everything. If this was your real phone, you know, you might wanna set all that up, right? For convenience, etc. Samsung services. Let's see, you're just gonna skip all that. Choose your display preference. Light or dark, I'm going to the dark side. Dark mode, ooh, that looks really good. Love dark mode. You're all set up, finish. Phone making noises, which is good. And we are in. Fresh right out of the box here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to, actually what's this, enrollment complete. Your phone will restart to apply the updates. Okay, so it looks like it's, okay, it did that on its own. The phone is restarting. All right, I'm gonna let it do its thing. Be right back. Phone just rebooted. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe that and enter my pattern here. And we are in again. Turn the display off. Let's see, I wanna do the fingerprint scanner here. So let's have a look. Fingerprint doesn't match. Again, I don't know if it's me or the fingerprint scanner. Let's see, okay. Nice. Oh, okay. This might actually work for me now. Now let me know in the comments. I don't know if this is a different fingerprint scanner this year, or if they've been using the same one since, 2020 with my Note 20 Ultra. Let me know in the comments. But so far, I mean, okay, that's a miss right there. But yeah, pretty good. All right, let's go into storage, or not storage, settings. Now, right out of the box, usually they don't set this to 1440p, right? I'm gonna turn off adaptive brightness, okay? And see, check this out. Screen resolution, see? So brand new, it comes stock on 1080. So you paid, over $1,000 for this phone. Go ahead and put it on the 1440p, as you can see. Hit apply, and then now you're on 1440p. And then the motion smoothness, be sure you set this to adaptive, so you get your 120 hertz for the super smooth experience when you scroll, okay? Now for me, let's see here, the navigation bar, I'm old school, so I'm gonna stick with the buttons, and then here, the button order, I like the back button on the left side. That's just me. One more thing, we'll take a look at the storage. Let's see, we'll go to battery and device care, but this is the 512 gig model, and out of the box, you get 454 gigs. That's hella space. All right, let's go ahead and test out that camera real fast. Fire up the camera. So here you got your 0.6, 1, 3x zoom, and 10x optical zoom. We'll go ahead and let's see. I'm gonna take a picture of the thing here, the S22, and this is 0.6. All right, this is the 1x, 3x. Zoom right into the camera lens, and the 10x. Let's see. I'm gonna zoom right in here, so you get it to focus right on the lens. And then here you can go up to 30x. Oh boy, that's really close. So you kind of get it to focus. Yeah, I'm gonna test out the camera later on, but you get the idea. You can play around with the camera, and it's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick video now. Let's see here. Now, what is this? This is the FHD. No, I don't want FHD. I want the 4K 30 frames, ultra high resolution. As you can see, I'm gonna take a quick video right now, starting with the 0.6. Let's go. All right, this is a sample video from the S23 Ultra in 4K. This is 30 frames. So you can see, this is 0.6x. I'm gonna go through 1x. There's the S22 Ultra from a year ago. This is 3x zoom. There's the power cable. And this is the 10x optical. Zoom right into the text right there. And you can read that clearly. Very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna zoom back out to the 1x. All right, now stay tuned. I'm gonna do a camera comparison here with the 14 Pro Max. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But let me know in the comments, like, what camera comparison you want to see. Versus the Pixel 7 Pro, last year's S22 Ultra, S22 Ultra, etc. Let me know in the comments. Okay, peace. Now, what are the other specs? 5,000 milliamp per hour battery. We already mentioned the display, 6.8 inches at 120 hertz, 1440p, gets up to 1200 nits. Of course, you got the S Pen here. You pull it out, and then you can write your notes, etc. As you can see right here, you can do that. The phone will make paper-like noises, so that's super cool. Go ahead and save that. So if you're an S Pen user, remember there's no more Note. It's all the S series now on the Ultra line. So yeah, I kind of wish they made this body color though to match the phone, but that's all right. Put that back inside. Let's see, this phone is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip that's specifically for, allow that I guess, that's specifically for Galaxy. I guess it's a little bit higher clock speed than your normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, overall first impressions, feels really good in the hand. I really like the flatter sides here, makes it much more comfortable to hold. And yeah, I think this is an overall, a slight update or an upgrade, a slight upgrade, I guess. Or an update to last year's S22 Ultra. Now, if you have this phone, probably don't need to, switch to this one, right? S22 Ultra is still a beast of a phone 1 year later. But if you're coming from an older device, like a Note 20, for example, or something older than that, yeah, this is a good option to go with. Anyway, this is just a real quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, camera tests, durability tests, etc. Versus, of course, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Versus last year's Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Versus the Pixel 7. Versus the OnePlus 10T or OnePlus 10 Pro. Versus the upcoming OnePlus 11 that was just recently announced. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.